Hello everyone, this is David. Thanks for watching Rainbow tutorial video. Today we will show you how to use a pocket device to embroider on side of a hat. At first, we need to install the cap driver on the machine because pocket device should work with the driver together. Now we can select the flat embroidery frame in system first. And then install the cap driver on the machine. Then fix the two screws by the screwdriver. When we use some irregular hoops or frames, we need to select the flat embroidery frame because it has no size limit. But remember to select the frame in system first, then install the hoop or frame on machine. This is very important. You can see we had prepared pocket device, cap station, and a hat and a stabilizer. Now we can fix the cap station on the desk first. And then put the pocket device on the cap station. You can see the two clamps catch the device. Okay, and open the clamp. And then we can put stabilizer in the hat. And put the hat on the device. We can press the clamp lightly. Now you can see this side was catched by the clamp, and then we can pull the hat from these three sides and make the fabric be flat in the frame. And then we can close the clamp. Okay, it's done. Let's move the pocket device to machine. We can install the pocket device on cap driver like this. When you push the pocket device into the clamp, you can hold the cap driver like this and push it into the clamp. Okay. Now we can select pattern in control screen. For example, we select this one and the pattern should be reversed like this. Okay. We can adjust embroidery position by these buttons. You can see there is a cross in the pattern. It is corresponds with the working needle position. You can see it shows the 6th needle is a working needle now. So we can adjust embroidery position like this. We can click this button to preview embroidery arrow on the hat. The working needle indicates embroidery position. Make sure the working needle is always far from the hoop edge. Otherwise, it will hit hoop when machine works. This is very important. Okay, after everything confirming, we can click this button to make machine being ready status and click start. Okay, it's done and looks good. You can see this is the final result. Okay, that's all. If you have any question, feel free to let us know and we are glad to help you. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.